Welcome to today's episode, where we'll be discussing plants that could easily be grown at home. Picking the right plants can greatly enhance your indoor space, boost your mood, and even purify the air. Let's dive into some popular plants and their key requirements. 1. Snake plant. First up is the snake plant, a low-maintenance option that can adapt to various light conditions. Water it every 2-3 weeks, and it will thrive in your home. 2. Pothos. We have the pothos, a vine that is perfect for hanging baskets or adding greenery to your shelves. Water it sparingly, and it will flourish in bright, indirect light. 3. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is another low-light lover, tolerating both low and bright light. Water it every 4-6 weeks, and it'll continue to grow. 4. Peace lily. For those looking for a larger leafed plant, the peace lily is an excellent choice. It can thrive in low to bright indirect light and also requires minimal watering, making it a breeze to care for. 5. Spider plant. The spider plant is another popular choice for beginners due to its tolerance for varying light conditions. Water it every 1-2 weeks, and it'll reward you with its beautiful blooms. Lastly, let's talk about the 6. Rubber plant. This sturdy vine is a great addition to rooms with low light conditions. Water it moderately, around every 4-6 weeks, and watch it grow. With these plants, you'll create a lush and vibrant indoor environment. Remember to choose the right plant based on its key requirements, and enjoy the benefits it brings to your home. Today, we're going to talk about some excellent plants that you can incorporate into your bedroom for a healthier and more refreshing living space. These plants not only beautify your room, but also improve air quality and enhance your overall well-being. 1. Spider plant. Known for its air-purifying properties, the spider plant is a great choice for your bedroom. It can help eliminate benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, which are common household pollutants. 2. Snake plant. With large, glossy leaves, the snake plant is a stunning addition to your bedroom. Not only does it help remove toxins like formaldehyde, but it also promotes better air circulation, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. 3. Peace lily. With its elegant white flowers and green leaves, the peace lily is a beautiful and peaceful addition to your bedroom. This plant helps eliminate benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, which are common in indoor spaces. 4. Pothos. The pothos is a low-maintenance plant that purifies the air while adding a touch of green to your bedroom. It can effectively remove formaldehyde and benzene from the air. 5. Rubber plant. With its glossy green leaves and large, attractive flowers, the rubber plant is a great addition to any room. It helps eliminate benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, which can create a cleaner and healthier environment. 6. Areca palm. Known for its ability to release moisture into the air and remove toxins, the areca palm is a great addition to your bedroom. It can help reduce airborne irritants and allergens, creating a comfortable atmosphere. In conclusion, incorporating these plants into your bedroom can lead to a healthier and more refreshing living space. Remember to take care of them and enjoy the benefits they provide.